In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to simulate subcategories for your blog posts using a simple method in Hostinger's website builder. This is a fantastic way to organize your content more efficiently while offering your visitors a clearer navigation experience. Let's start by logging into your Hostinger account. Once you're in, open your site in the builder to access the tools we'll need. On the dashboard, you'll notice a left sidebar filled with different icons. Locate and click on the blog icon. This is your gateway to managing all things related to your blog posts. Next, we need to navigate to the Categories settings. From the blog area, go to the Settings section and find the Categories option. This is where the magic happens. Here, you'll create your categories, which will serve as either main topics or subtopics, depending on how you structure them. To simulate subcategories, we're going to use a strategic naming convention. Start by creating broad categories. For example, a primary category could simply be Services. Now, to create a subcategory, you'll want to build on the main one by adding a dash and specifying the subtopic. So, for Services, you might have Services, Web Design, and Services SEO as your subcategories. This naming structure is powerful. It acts like a parent-child group, which is incredibly helpful for both organizing your content and helping visitors locate specific posts more easily. Moving on to another example, let's create another primary category like Tips. Under this, you can have subcategories such as Tips, Marketing. Again, notice how this structure clearly defines the relationship between the main category and its subtopics. This approach not only helps you group similar content, but also enhances SEO efforts by making your site more intuitive to search engines. Once you've got your categories and subcategories set up, it's time to assign them to your blog posts. When you're creating a new post, pay attention to the Categories section. Here, assign one or more of the categories you've just crafted. This is important because it's what ties your posts to their respective groups, making it easier for readers to discover related topics. And that's basically it. By following this method, you'll have a neatly organized blog that not only helps your audience easily find content, but also gives you the satisfaction of knowing your hard work is given the structural support it deserves. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope you feel more confident now in enhancing your blog's category system.